everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stabilize video in Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. At first, select your shaky video you want to stabilize. Now go over to the Effects panel and search for Rough Stabilizer. Now simply drag it to the video clip and it will automatically start analyzing and stabilizing. So as you see, it's less shaky than before. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.